So next up, guys, gonna do a video here on the Farmall 706. Glenn just fired her up there. He's gonna run it through the paces, but showing right at 7,800 hours, guys. It does have a nice loader on it. It's got chains there on the tires. Comes with that set of chains. Comes with that blade on the back too, guys. It's gonna sell as a complete unit. Hydraulics are strong. Give you that. I mean, show you the power it's got. It is a really windy day. Pretty brisk, pretty cold. It's nice and sunny, but pretty cold. So we did do all the pictures inside, but this tractor here has been stored inside. It's kept in nice working order. I'll get on the other side of here just so you can see how nice the paint is with the sun. 7-foot bucket there on the loader, guys. Rubber's getting a little warm, but still holds air nice. Glenn's just trying to find the gear there on her. Stalled her out there. We fired her right back up there, guys. She does run good, and this is not Glenn's tractor. He's just helping do the video. One of our guys here with old 20, so. Killed her again, he says. Well, she does run nice, guys. But though the blades, good heavy duty woods blade. We'll drop it there. Glenn's just gonna back her up, put her back in, guys, but real nice, dependable. For if you're just looking for a good complete unit, you know, you need something to push some snow with the loader in the winter. You need something with a set of chains, a nice little blade to use on your driveways. It's a really awesome little acreage tractor, guys. So you buy with confidence, go guys, oh, an auction time at Old 20 Auctions.